हेलो मेरे दोस्तों, आफ्टर बिगेस्ट स्ट्रगल आई केम एट माई अकोमोडेशन क्योंकि इट इज़ हैवी रेन फॉलिंग वेयर आई एम वर्किंग राइट नाउ। और मुझे इतना टाइम बारिश में खड़ा होना पड़ा, तो मतलब मुझे तो वो सॉन्ग ही आ गया कि ये बारिश की बूंदे। बट ना ना ऐसी सिचुएशन थी, ना मैं ऐसी जगह खड़ी थी, तो it's just like a great feeling. At the same time I was so pissed off that my ऑटो वाला, मतलब मुझे इतना आश्चर्य लगा कि मैं ऑटो वाला, मैं बैठी हूँ मनगढ़ंत उसकी कॉस्ट बताने लगा बिकॉज आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर लॉन्ग। मुझे लगा 1 लाख रुपए लेगा क्या वो अभी मतलब सोने की ऑटो है क्या। तो somehow he got he maybe he felt little bit क्या बोलूँ मैं, थोड़ा उसको अच्छा ही दिखाई उसने मुझे। और मैं उसके ऑटो में बैठी और फिर मैं बैठने के बाद बोली कि आपका कोड दिखाए मुझे जो पेमेंट करना है। तो बोले मैं बस हमेशा कैश यूज़ कर दो। तो मुझे ऐसा लगा भाई इस बारिश में मैं कहाँ से ढूंढ के क्या दूँ। तो मुझे बहुत आई गॉट सरप्राइज कि हु यूजेस इट। बट बोला मैंने आज तक ज़िंदगी में कभी डिजिटल पेमेंट यूज़ नहीं किया है। तो कैसे भी चैलेंजेस को ओवरकम करके कैसे कैसे करके मैं फाइनली मेरे जगह पहुंची। तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि कैसे ज़िंदगी है ना, मतलब हर पड़ाव को आपको चैलेंज देती है एंड इट्स लाइक अ गेम लाइफ। एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू डील विथ व्हाट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। मतलब आप बहुत आगे के बारे में सोच ही नहीं सकते हो। मुझे अभी के सामने मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम दिख रहा है वो मैं डील करना, बस दैट्स इट। यही बचपन से हम करते हैं, राइट। तो एक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस था आज मेरा कि मुझे बस वो देखना था मेरा प्रॉब्लम और सेफली मेरे अकोमोडेशन में पहुंचना था। सो आफ्टर हैविंग अ लॉन्ग हेक्टिक ऑफिस वर्क डे I have reached at my accommodation and I'll take some rest and I'll stay tuned again in some time. Ciao. Hello Mariaro. So after coming from hectic job, this is my dinner. I'm having this curd rice with this delicious pickle and a bit of salad. So this is my dinner. Those logo. I'm gonna have dinner and I'll be staying tuned with all of you. Ciao. Hello Mariaro. Uh, After having dinner, I just like doing TP, and I just came across one clip where that speaker was talking that no, there was an interview between two people, and the person who was taking interview, that person asked to that uh, speaker that what is the meaning of life, why we try and why we constantly try to find meaning of every situation, every context, or whatever the circumstances you are in, and whatever things happen to you when you feel bad. So because past 2 days I was feeling very bad for some or other reason, uh, and I was really deep thinking inside, and that speaker gave such a beautiful answer and I just loved it. So and that speaker is very well known philosopher, and he was ex IITian engineer. So that person said that there is no meaning to life. The interviewer asked to that speaker that why do we spend so much energy and so why we stressed out and burn out ourselves to try to find the meaning of everything happens in life. So that speaker said to the person who is taking interview that first of all there is no meaning, and the moment we and whole life we just spend to know only this very fact that there is no meaning, nothing makes sense. मैंने बहुत पहले भी in my previous post I have said that nothing makes sense, but you spend your entire life to try to find a sense in everything, and you just burn out yourself and the lifetime's time passes and one day you die. So I feel that, I don't know, it's very easy to say that there is no meaning in life. Then why do we get entangled in every situation happens with us, that we somebody says something to you, you feel bad, you cry, or you get hurt, or you get rebelled, you get angry, you get agitated. Why these things happens? I mean, why? If nothing, really, life really doesn't make any sense. I mean, I don't know. I still haven't. I mean, I didn't get convinced 100%. It's very difficult, and if it is true that life really doesn't make any sense, then it's very difficult to always be stable and consistent on that fact. What do you think? Do you think so that it is the fact that nothing makes sense? Anyways, I'm ending my night and I'm gonna sleep now. Ciao. Good night.